So today I'm going to unwrap this. This is a 100-piece nose guard, plastic with the metal wiring so you can bend the contour to your nose. So we try to custom some of this face masks that we bought the fabric from Joanne. So let's go ahead and open this up. So this was about $6.80 plus tax and everything is about $6.80 something cents. But free shipping on eBay. Let's go ahead and open this. So this is made in China. So it's pretty flexible. So imagine you bend your nose like that, okay? Because every time when they make the face mask and then they don't put this onto their face mask and there's a gap. See, when I put it like this on the fabric, you can see the gap. So it is useless if you wear a face mask and then there's air or dust could go in there, which is allow the virus or bacteria to go into your nose. One time I was jogging with a face mask and it doesn't have this wiring. So later on I found out there was like a small fly on my nose hair. So lucky I have my nose hair to block out the flies from going through my nose or internal body. So yeah, anyway, it says guard against damp, handle with care. And these are made in China. So yeah, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. So be sure to put this in while you're making your own mask. That's my tips. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the next one. I always peace.